fish on.
All right.
Okay.
All right,
How do I tighten
You
the
don't.
drag? No, don't. Okay.
Use the equipment to fight the fish.
Okay.
Don't
I'm a
let
left-hander.
the fish-
Right hand
No,
is
you go
killing me.
fast. Pull. It's good. Pull up.
Yeah.
Pull up. Now wind down. Don't leave any slack.
Yeah.
Get this on your hip. Get it on your hip. Come on.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yes, not on your balls, on your hip.
Yeah.
There you go. Good.
Can I get a net?
Yep. Oh my God. You got here. Come under me. Come
Yeah.
under me. Come here. Come here. No. No. Don't go back out. Come here.
You got him?
No, not yet. Come close to the rail.
I'm right here.
I got him. Got him.
Okay. Whew. Yeah.
I'm not tall
Got-
enough. You're gonna have to help.
Yeah. We got him. We got him.
Nice.
Oh, what a workout. Oh my God. Oh.
Come on. Get out. Come on.
Oh.
Hold the net again, please.
Yeah.
Thank
I got
you.
you. Yep.
Yep. Hold on. Come on. There
Thank
you
you. Thank you.